It's a whole freaking blizzard out here. Why am I out here? Why am I out here in a blizzard, bro? Why did I pick this day to do a blizzard? Bro, it is, let me show y'all. -5 and it feels like -31. Please be for real. Please be for real. But why did yesterday did I step in dog poop? I told myself not to go and move. I told myself not to go. Hold on. I told myself not to go in people's grass because people don't clean up their dog poop. So I went on the sidewalk, y'all. And it was dog poop on the sidewalk. Like, what? Like, come on, be for real. Oh no, I can't leave yet. I can't. Let me retry. Let me try again. But let's go back. Q. You getting a little too ahead of yourself. Hey y'all, it's your girl Makila, aka Q, and we about to go try some Christmas drinks. I've been dying to try these drinks. I don't have work today. It's a Friday, like, So yeah, we're going out in a snow blizzard. I know, I'm crazy as hell. Woo! Boy, it is freezing out there, man. Freak. Why is the heat not on? First stop we about to go to is KFC because we about to go try their funnel fries. Turn it up.
Whoa, I got feelings for you.
Where are the freaking salt trucks? Like, I would get out here and put salt down myself if you pay me. Fuck me. The plow trucks are out, but they need to put that shovel down. I literally just seen 2 out with the shovel up. Sir, you see all this? What you doing? Give me your truck right now. Fuck! Oh my gosh, it's so freaking cold. My dad calling me. All right, so we at KFC. I hope they got the funnel fries. That's what I came here for. Do you guys have funnel fries?
What are they called?
Funnel fries?
No, we got regular fries.
Ah, okay. Thank you though. Said something, we got regular fries. Duh. Really wanted them funnel fries, boy. Them things is gonna be so good. Why is this battery about to go dead? Did I not charge up my batteries? Like, Q, be for real. Please be for real today. Yeah, no, they didn't have funnel fries.
This is KFC funnel fries. This is, everyone knows funnel fries at the local place. This funnel, it says fries to it has several regions in the United States. You know, how you gonna have shit?
Literally don't have shit. Y'all got a full load on this battery, okay? It's the slush for me, boy. We're about to go to DQ, right? Hopefully this one is open because I'm not about to play with them today. I'm really not. Like, give me what I want, honey. Hey, y'all, I'm here. It's open. Hi.
How's it going?
I'm good. How are you?
Pretty good.
Could I try the new frosted sugar cookie blizzard?
Yeah, what's that?
The smallest one you guys have. Ooh, gotcha. I'm excited for this. Oreo and hot chocolate.
$3.99.
Wait, what did he say? He said $3.99, right? Did I hear right? Okay. Hopefully I did. Yeah, $3.99. Yeah. For some reason I thought he said $93.99. I'm like, please don't charge like it might decline. Thank you. Have a good day. Merry Christmas. Y'all, look how cute this is. Got freaking cute. So, yeah, where the saw trucks at? Cause obviously they ain't doing their job. I could have got paid. At this point, I'm cleaning up y'all roads with my wheels. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is gonna be so freaking good. Look how good this looks. Oh, it smells so good. Think about me, I love cake better than anything. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm eating this whole thing. Yeah. Oh, I can't even put her down. She eats. Wow. Oh, this is beautiful. Yeah. That's good. I'm not even over exaggerating. I don't care. I'm not over exaggerating at all. That's beautiful. That's beautiful in my mouth. I like that. Oh yeah, she good. She good as hell. All right, y'all. So we're going to Chick-fil-A next. I do want to try it though. I haven't been a peppermint girl, but I do want to try. Do you guys still have the peppermint shake?
We do, but unfortunately our ice machine is down, so it should be back up by Tuesday, I think.
All right, you guys, I'm at Starbucks. I might get like 2 drinks just to try, but I seen this one. Look how freaking good that looks. It's the strawberry frosted sugar cookie frap. That sounds so freaking good, and I might get it with almond milk instead. But like, look how freaking cute that looks. Oh my gosh, I low-key want to be like, I got a picture. Can y'all like see, like, can y'all make it like this? Like, come on now. I wonder if they can make this though. Like, have they ever heard of this? I guess we gonna find out, honey. See, like the start, everything literally sounds like Taylor Swift. we are. I'm starving. Hold on. Caramel brulee latte. I might get 3 drinks. A white hot chocolate? No. We know what that tastes like. Peppermint mocha. Hell no. Hello? Are they open? Hello? They gotta be open. All these cars.
Due to the weather, we closed at 3. I'm so sorry.
Oh, you're fine. Thank you. Damn. They closed at 3, y'all. Fuck. They closed, sir. They closed. He gonna be mad as fuck. Dang, y'all. Not them closing like that. Hold on. See, I don't know why I picked this day to do this, y'all. I was really just bored. And I'm like, let's go out. Why would I do that? You see how I like to set myself up? I don't like do the other Starbucks close at 3 too. Oh my gosh, I hope I ain't go. I'm not going there and they close. Okay, she could have made my drink. I'm like, Q, you really finna kill yourself for some drinks, girl. Go home. Go home. For real. Okay, yo, this is my home. This is the home. This is the home, y'all. This man is right here, so hopefully he ordering. He look like he ordering. Please don't say y'all close at 3. I don't hear him. Oh my gosh. I think they closed. I think they closed. I'm about to cry. I'm about to cry. Hello? If y'all close, just tell me. Tell me if y'all close.
Closed at 3. I just drove around and put a sign at the window.
Oh, thank you.
They're closed.
Thank you. Bro. Y'all, this was literally a flop. Like, I feel like I've been all over the world and I've only been in one spot. Mind you guys, these spots are literally like 7 minutes away from each other. And I've been driving for hours. Like, oh my gosh. That's sick. Like, that's sick. Okay, so since this was a flop, we will resume tomorrow, okay?
Tall ice sugar cookie almond milk latte.
Then the tall caramel brulee
And
latte.
the tall caramel brulee latte.
This is
Yes.
not the whatever.
That is it.
No, she said strawberry.
Yeah.
I literally said that. I said strawberry sugar cookie. I said
This is
strawberry
not it.
sugar.
This is supposed to be the sugar cookie. Why did they add blonde espresso? Did I say?
You did not say that.
Y'all, they literally messed up this order twice. They gave me something else. They gave me this instead, like, and I walked in there and she was like, oh, we just made this drink. Why would you just, what? I don't get it. But it's supposed to look like this. Y'all, she didn't even make it right. But
I thought he already got the baby. He accidentally got Riley too, so then he was like,
I don't know this.
He said he was gonna take
I don't know
it
this.
back.
Man, last minute.
That tastes like that
you say
one
that?
candle
Is
from Bath and Body Works. That candle that's
the one.
yes, that one.
So I said it tastes like the candle. This is the. Do you remember what this one was? This is like the sugar.
It should
like
say on it.
almond. No, it don't have a thing on it. Cause she really blew me. Okay, this is the ice sugar. This is the ice sugar cookie almond milk latte. That shit nasty as fuck. I should have added caramel. It's so watered down.
I can lie. It do smell like a candle.
This one is the caramel brulee latte. This better be good. That's good as fuck. Yeah, that 8. Taste it. Yeah, I like that one. Yeah, it's hot. And then y'all, since she gave me this free drink, we're gonna try this one too. This is the sugar cookie almond frap.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Yeah, it's good. It tastes like kind of hot chocolate, but with like caramel. It tastes like breakfast. Yeah, it literally tastes like waffles or something.
Ow.
Her
No.
face, bro.
That tastes like that one. But that one is worse.
But this one is what this. It tastes like. Oh wait, I got a good sip.
No. The only good sip you probably gonna get is that whipped cream.
Starbucks was a bust. Like, ugh. Yeah, no. This is watered down. This can go in the trash.
But see, next year
This
I'm
was
not doing
0.
nothing left.
I think I'll rate this like a 5. And this one was hands down the best.
Yeah, that
This
one-
is like a, I feel like I would give it like a 7.5, 8.
The other ones are a 1.
What would you
Wait,
give
I
this
didn't
one?
taste this one. I
This
give
one
that one
watered
like a
down.
5. Oh yeah, shit. That
It's
tastes
so
like water.
watered down.
Water and coffee.
Water and coffee. I think I would definitely drink this though, just to drink it, but like not for my pleasure. That DQ one, DQ is at the top at the moment. All right, y'all, we at Starbucks again. We gonna try this again because there's no way that drink should have tasted like that. Okay, so we gonna try again. I'm at this other Starbucks because that other Starbucks that I went to that y'all seen, we usually don't go to that one, but y'all seen this one was closed. We usually don't go to that one because they never know what they're doing. They never make people's drinks right. They just a hot mess over there. Hey, can I get a tall strawberry frap? Could you add sugar cookie syrup instead of the classic? If there's any kind of milk in there, can you do almond milk instead?
Yeah, of course I can.
Okay.
You still want the whipped cream on there or no?
Yes, the whipped
You got
cream.
it.
And then the red and green holiday sprinkles on top. Could I get a tall caramel brulee latte as well? And then cheese Danish. Thank you so. That's all.
You got it. It'll be $15.55. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Of course.
Bye. Oh, she's so sweet. She was so sweet, y'all. Okay, yeah, this the one. I know this the one. My phone on 7%. I got 2 batteries left on there. Like everything dead at this point. I have to turn this battery. Oh, I'm. Hold on, my window down. I'm chatting. I hope they made it right. It seemed like she had it. Yes. Thank you. It's so sweet. Oh my gosh, my battery's on 1, y'all. How did I bring more batteries? Did I? No, I freaking forgot them. I don't know why I do this to myself. Cute. What the hell? All right, now y'all. Now we at Dunkin' Donuts.
Hello? Is it me you're looking for? Sorry. Thought I was doing that all day. Sorry.
Yeah, right. Wait, do you guys have the cookie butter cold brew?
I don't have the cookie butter over anymore, but we do have like a kind of brown sugar flavor. It's not the same as an old one though.
Do you guys have like any like Christmas type drinks?
We
Anymore?
just got rid of them.
Dang, that quick?
I know, I'm sorry.
Can you make it with almond milk instead and 2 creams, 2 sugars?
Yeah, so just almond milk instead of cream and then 2 sugar, right?
Yes.
Of course. Anything else for you today, miss?
Y'all, I'm so fucking dead, bro. I wonder if he gonna try to get in my camera.
Glad I made you laugh.
Thank you.
So how's your day going?
Good. How's yours?
Pretty good. Excited for New Year's. How about you?
Yeah, I am too. Are you doing anything for New Year's?
I don't know yet. I just might go out with a few coworkers or something.
Same. Are you going downtown?
I had no clue. I don't think I'll go downtown. That would be crazy.
Yeah, parking is $100.
Everything's gonna be so expensive.
Exactly. Why was he singing through the intercom like that? Some kind of Christmas tree about. Like, you was that quick to get rid of it, bro? Oh, thank you.
I forgot to give you a straw.
I think you gave me one, but thank you.
I did?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I have your phone number?
I gotta call somebody. What the hell is going on? This man has no shirt on, screaming outside at this gas station over here. What are you doing, like, in that white car? Y'all, my battery's about to go freaking dead. Oh my gosh. This is not, I'm about to turn, I gotta turn right, because, wow. All these freaking cars. I cannot get out of here. Get me out of here, please. Y'all, look at this man. I'm scared. What if he start running over here? Yo, what the hell is, bro, what is going on today? Oh, got it. I got it. I got it. All right, y'all. So now I'm about to try the freaking drinks. I'm so freaking excited. And hold on, let me take a thumbnail first. Y'all, I know I'm so late. I'm literally so late to the game. I don't know when this video is gonna go up to. See, but like, let's try. Okay, so this is, I just got this. Y'all already know what this tastes like. I already got this last time. And yeah, it's staying a 10 out of 10, okay? I want to try this one. Oh, it's melting a little bit, y'all. See, look, because all them cars are taking all day. But look how freaking pretty this is. Like, this looks like this is the one, okay? Last time, I don't know what they gave me. But this is given. Is right. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Why do it taste like it's hazelnut kind of? Like the aftertaste is hazelnut. I don't really like that. I like the before taste though. And then this, since they want to get rid of Christmas drinks, like they was buggy with that one. This good as hell. This is so, I should have added caramel, huh? This is good as hell. Dang, that's good as hell, y'all. I think I'm gonna get this 9 out of 10. I'm gonna get this drink I'm gonna give it a 7. A nice little 7. But anyways, y'all, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Join the fam. Like, what you doing? Like, come on out. You just sitting there? Like, I know you see that button. Stop playing. Stop playing. But anyways, bye guys.